Okay, here we go. So, this is a Q-tip burning. When it burns, what color does it make, everybody?
Orange.
Orange, wonderful. Is this a physical or a chemical change, everyone?
Chemical.
Chemical. Is it a property or is it a change?
Change.
It's a change because it's actually burning right now. Okay, so I have water, I have some Tang. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some Tang in here. Okay, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, when I do that, I want to know, what word is this describing right here? Is this describing A, solubility, B, density, C, thermal conductivity, D, malleability, E, flammability, or F, ductility? Okay, so I have the Tang in here. You got a good view of this? Alright, so we put the Tang in the water. What I want to know is this a physical or is this a chemical something? Okay, so hopefully you thought about that. Now, is this a property or is this a change? So what we're going to do right now is, follow me Angela, we're going to put this in this beaker. Okay? If this is what type of change is this? Physical or chemical? Everyone? Physical. So if I pour this in here, okay, and I put this on the hot plates, what should happen?
Should boil.
Okay, should boil. What happens to water when it boils? It gets bubbles. It does what? It starts with an E. Evaporates. So if the water evaporates, what's going to be left behind? The Tang. So let's check it to see if it does. I have some aluminum foil right here. Okay, this aluminum foil. Since I can bend it, I can fold it, I can turn it into a ball, I can flatten it out. What word means that I can do that? Is it solubility A, density B, thermal conductivity C, malleability D, flammability E, ductility F? Okay, bending and shaping it. All right, here we go. So when I'm bending this, what does this word mean, everybody? Malleable or malleability. Is it physical or chemical?
Physical.
Physical. Change or property? The word malleability. Property. Okay, because it could actually happen. All right. Next thing, I have these oils jars right here, or jars full of oil. Okay. What word up there explains why the green stays on the bottom, the red stays on the bottom? Okay. Is it A, solubility, B, density, C, thermal conductivity, D, malleability, E, flammability, F, ductility? All right. So I got these two different things. It is what word, everyone? Density, because density explains why the red is what? More or less dense? More. The clear is more or less dense? Less, because it goes on top, more things that are dense fall to the bottom. Okay? Density, is it a physical or chemical? Physical, because if I measure the mass, it's still the same thing. Okay? And density is a what? It is a property, no matter what. Okay? It's not changing the substance, not doing anything, I'm just measuring. Okay, so I have this sweet hat, okay? It's made out of metal. What I would like to know is what word up here explains why this hat is so sweet, okay? Because I was able to make it. Is it A, solubility, B, density, C, thermal conductivity, D, malleability, E, flammability, or F, ductility? Okay, so we have ductility. This hat means ductility because I'm able to draw it into wire. Physical or chemical, everybody? It's a?
Physical.
Physical. Is a physical property or physical change? It is a what? Property, because it ends with that ility. It's able to do it, but it's not doing it yet. Okay, where are we at? Ooh, all over here. Perfect. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, so I have these 4 different metals right here. Wonderful. Okay, we can see them. They have different colors, different things like that. They're 4 different metals. I put them on this hot plate. When I put them on this hot plate, I can measure the temperature that's going up the metal. Okay, so the one on the left is at 24 degrees, the one in the middle is 24, 24, 24. They're all at 24 right now. Okay, now this one's at 25, this one's almost at 25, this one's at 25, this one's still at 24. Okay, so as I put that, the heat is starting to go up that hot plate. What word means for that heat to be moving through that substance? It means thermal conductivity. So thermal means what, everyone?
Temperature.
Temperature or heat. Okay? Conductivity, or able to conduct electricity in this case, is what that's going off of. Okay? Say gosh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Right, she needs hot water.
Wait, what is that?
Okay, so
And that's in the video too.
no, we can delete that.
No! No!
So
this last period?
So, the reason did I touch the hot plate on that one?
Yeah.
No, I touched the metal, but why was the metal hot? Because of thermal conductivity, okay? Which is, in your clicker, is it a physical or chemical, and is it a property or a... Okay, so we all remember what the normal Q-top looked like, right? Q-tip, okay? Alright, so here we go. I'm going to use, now, that was our control, so that was our basis of comparison when we look at some other things. Now I'm just getting the Q-tip wet, so the other chemicals that I'm going to put on there stick to it, okay? So the first one we're going to do is cobalt chloride, so I'm going to get it nice and on there. Ooh, that's good. Okay, so let's see, does this look any different than what it did before?
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. That different? Yeah, it's sparking. Here's a normal Q-tip. Different? Right?
He was burning himself again.
It's different. Okay. Alright. So now when I do whatever we call it, evaporated it, okay, do I have stuff left on the bottom of the beaker? Yes. Is the water all gone?
Yes.
So was I able to separate the water from the sugar?
Yes.
And if you smell that, that's what's happening. That's the sugar burning. Okay, and if you've ever burnt sugar before, it smells kind of good, but then after a while, it doesn't smell very good because it starts burning.
Can we all smell it?
No, it smells. So once again, get the Q-tip wet. I'm gonna get some barium chloride on it. Okay, and let's see. Ooh.
Whoa!
That's awesome. Remember, regular Q-tip, barium Q-tip. So once again, this is how we make green in fireworks. Okay, if you notice, after the barium runs out, does it go back to burning like a normal Q-tip? Yeah, so that's why you get that mixture of orange in there. Okay. Wet Q-tip, I'm going to get some lithium chloride on this one. Okay, so I get it on. Okay, let's see. Make sure you really watch closely. We're looking for a different reaction.
Whoa!
Okay. Yeah, awesome. So on the count of three, tell me what you think, physical or chemical? 1, 2, 3.
Chemical!
Chemical, definitely a different color change. Also, after a while, it starts to burn that orange again because there's no lithium chloride left, so it's going away.
Is that how they also make red fireworks?
This is how one of the ways they can make red fireworks, yes.
This is like pinkish color right now.
Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so now the orange is coming in. There we go. This is what I need gloves for because hydrochloric acid. Does anybody know where hydrochloric acid is found? Where? Cool.
It's like in coal mines and stuff.
It's in your stomach. Okay? It's what your stomach uses is stomach acid to disintegrate food basically after you eat it. Okay? That's why ulcers do not feel very good. An ulcer is your stomach lining getting a hole in it, so the hydrochloric acid starts going into your organs, systems, things like that. This is just zinc, which is just a metal. Okay?
Like you find it in the ocean.
Yeah, you can find it all over the place. So zinc's not bad. What is bad is this. This is the hydrochloric acid. Okay, so it looks clear and things like that. It doesn't eat through glass, which is nice, or plastic. Okay. So Angela, if you want.
Whoa!
Okay. You have a little closer. Okay. Now what I'm wanting to do. Okay, don't worry. What I'm wanting to do is I want to catch the gas. Okay.
Is it bad? It looks like it's melting.
Oh, I forgot to do this. Yeah, everybody just take a step back so everybody can see. We can sit down in our, you can go sit down in our desk. Go sit down in our desk. Okay? Alright, so here we go. So now, if this worked, we should have some hydrogen gas. So let's see. Whoa. Let's try again.
Inhale my gum.
Should we try again?
Yeah. Oh God, I inhaled my gum.
Okay. I don't know if...
Oh my God.
Okay.
God, I inhaled my gum.
Don't worry, Meredith. We'll make sure nothing happens to you.
Doesn't gum stay in the stomach for like years?
Good. So, we just made my 9-bolt, and I'm putting it on steel wool, and I get my...
Fire burnt them. You try and light a piece of paper on fire?
No, this isn't...
Did you do anything to the battery?